In Igbo culture, it is believed that a complete adult sees with four eyes. These are not just the physical eyes, they are eyes of wisdom. Here are the four eyes. Anya azo, hindsight. This is the eye that remembers the past. It reminds you of where you failed, where you succeeded, who helped you, and how you survived hard times. That is why the Igbo say that onye echetaghị ebe mmiri bidoro mawa ya agaghị echeta ebe ọ nọrọ zee ya, meaning if you don't remember where your trouble started, you won't remember what served you. Anya ihu, foresight. This is the eye that sees ahead. It helps you to plan, think, invest, and prepare for the future. With this eye, a person can rise above his peers. Anya insight. This is the inner sight. It helps you see hidden truth, judge wisely, and detect lies. This eye belongs to the wise and careful, those who don't rush decisions. Anya abụọ, the physical eyes. These are the two eyes on your head. They help you to see the road, read, walk, and move through the physical world. So, in Igbo belief, a complete, reasonable person must use all the four eyes. Seeing only with the physical eyes is not enough.